Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming your Microsoft account is signed in and verified. Once done, open account. Microsoft. Calm and go to Payments and Billing. Make sure you add or have access to a local payment method or a regional Microsoft gift card for the new country because the store enforces regional billing. Next, on Windows or Xbox, open Settings and check for system updates. This avoids mismatches during region change. Now proceed to change your country on the account profile. Now edit your Microsoft account profile. Under your info, choose Edit Country/Region and select the desired country. Update your billing address to a valid local address and add that region's payment method. This is why a gift card or local card helps. Once your profile and payment info are saved, sign out of the Microsoft Store and related apps. Then restart your PC or console. This refresh forces the store to detect the new region and show region-specific content and prices. Finally, open the Microsoft Store and verify the storefront now shows the new country and local currency. Make a small free or low-cost download to confirm. If purchases or subscriptions fail, make sure the card matches the new billing address and that the address formatting follows local conventions. If problems persist, clear the store cache, WS reset, or remove and re-add the account on the device. If that does not resolve it, contact Microsoft support for regional account flags or subscription conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.